Oh, stocks 5150. Check it out. So today is what's today? Today is July 17th. No, today is July 18th. And as we can see here, I'm on the 1 hour on the two contracts. So I'm gonna be real quick about the contracts that I'm in. Overnight we had a little positive drama. Look at that. So remember, I went in and I had one contract and then I went in and I averaged up and brought me up here. So now we're here. And what we're looking is down, of course, was short. So we wanted to go back to the downside. So, but what happened overnight was the market ran up. And so we're going to readjust our fib to 63.57. Yeah, close enough. All right. And we had a low. Boom. Look at that spike right there. So we got to adjust this. Move the whole thing. Don't do that. All right. So this is for this move right here. So we went down, boom, and then we started up. But this is the low. And I could put it here, but it did go down here. So it's liquidity right here. So for this move, I don't know. Honestly, what y'all think? Think I should adjust it and have it here or keep it on like there? So that's the original move, right? This is the original, but it did bounce below there. If I kept it here, then that puts me at between 61.8 and 78.6. If I move it down here, that puts me at between 61 point. I'm gonna put it all the way. I'm gonna take this whole wick. All right, so that's where we're at right now. We got this. Do I have this in the right place? All right. All right, so close enough. 63.37. So we're having a pullback for today's market. The US and today is Friday. So we're having a pullback most of the day. So I'm on a 1 hour. And let's see, let's adjust our other contract because we're in two. Same thing. Ran up. Both of these are based on the ES though, which is based on the S&P 500. So, yeah, this one I have it already based. I have it on here for the Z for that bottom wick. So, keep it the same, be consistent, right? This went 64.11.50, so 64.11, 68. I wonder if I could right click this. Oh, coordinates. Okay. So I could type in the coordinates. Look at me. So what am I looking for? Price two is I got it at 63.96. That's the bottom at 64. Okay, so I could change this to 64.11. I'm going through all those changes. 64.11.5. That's accurate. And that was 63. What is this? Let's see. The bottom on this was 63, 62.95. All right. 62.95. Coordinates. So 64.50 and 62.95. I was close. So 62.95. All right. So now it's in like it should be, in like Flynn, and more accurate. All right. Thank you. All right. So on this one also, we added another contract. So we're sitting in two. And on both instances, in both cases, we're coming right down to that level. Um, if we get past 63.33, that was on the ES, then it should be more downside. What I'm looking to capture is this move here. This is the total move. I thought I had different positions in here, but apparently I was YOLOing for this one, and I'm gonna have to change that because what I'm what I want to do is just capture a little bit from, let's see, so from here to the 50%, which would be 63.53. So I'm going to edit that right now. Cancel that order. Put in another one. Do one. What did I say? 63.53. 63.53. Yeah, that's just to get a little small taste right there. 6353. Send that. All right. And then the other one, well, if we get to 6353, well no, I'm gonna put the other one in there too. So what did I say earlier? Let me make sure I'm looking at the right thing. This one was to the bottom, so I think I said right here 6351. That's what the 200 is. And we'll go with this is the YOLO 6300. So we'll do 6320. All right, so the next one we'll do cover 6320, 6320. How many? One. And this would be good to cancel 6320. All right, put that in. Okay, so now we got both our positions. One for 6320, that's the long, and 6353, that's the short version, right? All right, so that's for this December contract. For the September contract, we're gonna keep it at 6305 and 6302, 6203. Let's go look at that one and see why we have that. Video turned out to be long, but it doesn't matter. Um, Charts. All right, so like I said, we got an order here. That I may need to adjust that and bring that up. Or no, 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 no. I think I'm holding this one. Like I said, I'm gonna keep this one contract in September because I figure we're gonna get a pullback in probably August or so, and or before September or something. I don't know. What is this? And so yeah, this will take care of this first initial one, and then if we break down below there, boom. And if we go to 6240, why not go to 6203? You know what I'm saying? And there was a reason for that. Let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. And as you can see here, had a little support right there, really right here. So I probably should change this to here so it'll be more. Because before I think I had it here. So yeah, 6200. That's what I'm thinking. We go back down to 6200 because I believe we should hit probably 6000 before the year is out. They say we're gonna close at 5500, and we'll see how that goes. Earnings are coming up, tech earnings and everything. So, the market should pull up and run up. But like I said, this one right here is a little small grab from the 63.28 to 63.05. And we are now at 63.30. So heading that way. But again, oh yeah, let me adjust this. Coordinates, what is that? 65.71. I was close, 65. What do I have? 63.55. So I need to have 63.57. All right. All right, so my fib is more accurate now. And my position is right here, just above the 50. Yeah, so that play right there. That should hit. Maybe not today, because it's gonna be a weekend. This is definitely not gonna, I would doubt that it's gonna hit that today. Today is Friday. but you never know. Right? That's that. Stocks 5150. So I just adjusted my Fibonacci's and repositioned my orders. Boom, boom. And now we just wait and see. And let's go. It's go time, right? So looking at it on the 4 hour, there it is. Heading back down. All right. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. Peace.